Okay, let's go out and take a look at this 5-year-old banyan tree I planted. I planted in 2019, so it's been doing great. And as you know, it's a sibling of the Thomas Edison plant he has in Fort Myers. So it's really doing great. Let's take a look. Here it is, and it is doing fantastic. Now that it's 5 years old, it's really starting to grow like a regular tree. All the leaves, as you see, fall off on a yearly basis, and they're quite big. And if you just take a look at one branch here, this is just one, you'll see all kinds of new growth. You see here and over here, it's growing crazy. And also over here at the end of the branch, look at the leaf popping out. All of these are brand new leaves. As you can see, the bright green. If we take a look at the base of the tree, you'll see all kinds of roots growing down to the ground, and they're actually quite big. See them all? There's all kinds growing down, and this one is really big. It's starting to look like a banyan tree down here. It's really growing, and look at how green and supple these leaves are. I think that's a sign it's doing well. What do you think? Look at the size of this leaf. It's bigger than my hand. Using my tape measure here, I estimate the trunk to be between 8 and 9 inches. I also estimate the height to be about 16 feet, which is as tall as the flat part of my garage, the wall, and probably 8 to 10 feet across in width.